You want to see why Techy is one of the leaders in the tech industry? My name is Brown. I'm one of the franchise directors here at Techy. We are a franchise concept over 150 locations. Each of our stores get the Techy blueprint of our success. Our founders, Tim and Bill, have been in the industry for 15 years, giving them a combined 30 years in this space. This is our repair room where we train over 250 of our technicians. Our head tech, Carlos, has repaired over 10,000 devices in his lifetime, and he's an excellent resource of all of our franchise partners. All of our corporate employees are certified pre-owned devices, and everything Techy is housed in our 25,000 square foot warehouse. If you're interested in getting into this booming industry, we give tours of our warehouse every Thursday. Come see what makes Techy so successful and see how we plan to position ourselves as the leader of the tech repair industry.